Hello kids! Today, we will continue reading words with long vowel sounds. Let us now read words with long O sound. Long O sounds like O. O. Let's start. Let us put the letter O on the line to complete the word. Both. 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 Next, with O after the letter C, cold. 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 Very good. Put O after H. We'll have home, home. Next is, let us put O after G. We'll have old, old, gold. You're doing great, kids. And now, put O after the letter M. We'll have the word most. 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 The circled container has the most content. Another word is O after the letter N. We'll have note. 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 And for our last word, put O at the beginning of the word. We'll have old. 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 Let us observe. Words with long O sound are spelled as consonant O, consonant E. We say the long sound of the letter O and omit the sound of the letter E at the end of the word. Let's read this. Robe. Bone. Cone. Tone. Rose. Note. Hole. Mole. And rope. Another way to know if the word has long O sound is that it is spelled as consonant OA consonant. Let's read this. Road. Toad. Soap. Goat. Coat. And boat. Very good. Now you can read the phrases and sentences on your book. Goodbye and God bless, kids!